Hello, I'm at my newest listing at 3 Ivy Loop in Phenix City, Alabama. Look at the description below for the price and further details. Thank you. This property is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story property located on approximately 0.20 acres in Phenix City, Alabama. It's 3,517 square feet and the exterior is brick and cement board. The master bedroom is on the main floor and there's 3 additional bedrooms upstairs. Kitchen has granite, tile backsplash, plenty of cabinets. A nice stool counter there. Foyer and the dining room have a lot of detail with a lot of trim, has coffered ceiling, and it has what's called judges' chambers below the chair rail there. Property is well maintained and move-in ready. This is like a sitting room off the foyer. He uses it as an office. Property has a 2-car garage and a fenced backyard. This is the half bath on the first floor near the garage. Laundry room is also near the garage entry. Called a front loader garage because it comes in from the front. This is the landing area at the top of the 2nd floor. That'd be a good place for a study room for the kids or a lounge area. Again, 3 full bedrooms upstairs. Property is located just off Highway 280 in Phenix City. It'd be approximately 30 to 35 minutes to Auburn, Opelika, and most anywhere in Columbus, Chattahoochee Valley area in 20 to 25 minutes. Guest bathroom, tub shower insert, large master bedroom on the first floor. Master bathroom has been upgraded since the owner has purchased the property. Tile shower, glass enclosure, walk-in shower with a beautiful stone floor in the shower. The counters in the kitchen and the bathrooms are called executive height. This is the front view of the property. Hope you enjoyed the video. Great property, great location. Again, 3 Ivy Loop in Phenix City, near Fort Benning, Columbus, Georgia, on Highway 280. If you'd like to make an appointment, call the listing contact below. I am the listing agent, or have your agent come through the East Alabama lockbox on the house. Thank you very much. Have the best day ever.